If you remember last week, we went over how computer work. We went over the different part of the computer and now the CPU in particular work. So if you have to review these two, take your time to go back and review these two documents that we posted last week. Today's assignment is going to be a fun assignment, actually. Your guys are going to create your own computer with a budget of $1,500. If you click on the assignment that I posted and you click on the instructions are very easy. You will go to a website which is called pcpartpicker.com/list. You can just click on the link over here and you will have about $1,500 to build a computer. You must remember that in order to have the computer, you need the following part. You need a CPU, central processing unit. You need a CPU cooler. You need the motherboard. You need memory, storage, video card. You need a case, power supply. You need a monitor. And don't forget, you need an operating system. Now, some of these on PC Part Picker, they are not named the same. So I'm going to show you what exactly you have to look for. So when you go to PC Part Picker /list, you're presented with a screen like this. Why do I choose PC Part Picker? Well, because when you put together a computer here, if you choose some components that don't match quite well together, it will give you a warning and it will tell you what you have to do to make changes. Don't worry, if you don't complete this by tomorrow, we will get back on it next week. So let's start and I'm going to show you what exactly you have to do. The first thing, you want to choose a CPU, central processing unit. You're going to give a different option, okay? So let's say that we're going to choose the first one, just to make it easy. I'm going to add this to my card, okay? Now, notice that if I click on the CPU itself and I scroll a little bit halfway down, it tells me the compatible part. So I already know that if I want to choose a compatible CPU cooler motherboard, I can just click here. So I click on motherboard. Now I can choose from one of these motherboard for my CPU. And once again, I'm going to choose the top one just because it's easier. Okay? It gives me some error, which is usually strange. Oh, yes, some of this means if you receive the error that there is a BIOS update, please disregard this error. Usually you will receive this error many times. It's not really an error per se. It just tells you that the motherboard to work with the CPU needs a BIOS update. So disregard that kind of error. After that, you're going to click again on your motherboard. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to see, okay, what kind of memory do I need to use? This will give you the compatible memory for your computer. Remember, if you're building a gaming machine, you want to make sure that your memory is enough to run the kind of application that you want. So let's say I'm going to run two 16 gigabyte memory and I'm going to add this to the card. Okay? Once again, if I click the detail of this error, it still tells me it's only the BIOS, so don't worry about it. Then we want to choose a type of storage. Excuse me, the type of storage. Storage is your hard drive. That's one of the different terms I was talking to you about. So when I choose storage, I want to make sure that I choose one that is appropriate for the type of computer that I'm building. Remember when I talked to you about the RPM? This is a slow type of hard drive, so I will not choose something like this. I will stick to an SSD, solid state drive, and I'm going to add this one. After that, I can scroll down, and I can choose the type of video card that I want. So once I click on it, I can choose the video card that I would like to use, and I click Add. So let's see if we have any other error or incompatibility. No, still the same BIOS error, so I'm still good to complete my process. So you see, very easy how to build your computer piece by piece. Now, how you're going to give me this computer and how you're going to present it to my class? Very easy. When you're done with all the different components, what I want you to do is click on this T. It's a text icon. See right here, guys? All the way to the top. Text. You're going to copy this text by doing Control-C. You're going to open your Google Docs. You're going to paste it in a new Google Docs. and you're going to submit it in Google Classroom. That's all you have to do. It's a fun project. It shows me that you understand how to put a computer together. It will show me that you know the different component, and it will make you, a little bit more knowledgeable how the different components work together. Please make sure that you use everything that I told you about. If you're missing something, if you send me something that doesn't have a power supply, well, that's an incomplete build. So pay attention, make sure that you have everything. Once again, everything that you need for your computer is right here in the Google Classroom assignment. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to feel better and to see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, stay warm, and thanks again for watching.